Hello traders, today I have prepared a very interesting video for you. I just funded my account with only $1 and I want to prove to you that it is possible to make profit on Quotex starting with such a small deposit. So let's see how I can do that. As you can see, you and I on the Quotex platform, I use the Bollinger Bands and MACD indicators, and by the way I use my secret setting for Bollinger Bands, so watch this video at the end if you want to know what the setting are. Because I'm only going to show them, as you can see I choose as usual the currency pairs with the highest payout percentage. At the moment I have 5 currency pair and I don't think this will be enough for today, unless of course the payout percentage change. I want to switch to a second currency pair. The payouts are a little high there. And here I see the situation, there's a price at the resistance level. That's why my first trade will be down here. Let's go. Great guys, this is absolutely the right decision, because as you can see price where this resistance level and price pushback and started this downward reversal. So let's move on. I want to find a really good entry point and I think it will be on this currency pair. And here we see roughly the same situation. Again, we can see that the price is in the upper channel line. So $2 and trade down, let's go. Cool guys, I already have $4 in my balance and it's after a great start with 2 profitable trades in a row, and I want to check out another currency pair, let it be the American dollars and the Algerian real. Guys, we see a clear downtrend on this currency pair. We can see that many levels have already been broken, and let's zoom in a little bit. Let's see what we can see. That price is at a support level, so $4 and trading up. Unfortunately, on this currency pair I got a return. I was only a few seconds short of making a profit, but luckily for the guys I didn't lose my money. Let's continue this trading session. And by the way, I completely forgot to remind you about my Telegram channel, where you can find a lot of useful information about trading and binary options. I also share a completely free trading signal there, which my subscribers use to make money just like me. You can go to the Telegram channel by following the link in the description of this video. So don't miss your opportunity and join my community. We are still in the trading session, and let's move on to the euro and Canadian dollars currency pair and see what's going on here. Yeah guys, look at that. Pretty strong bullish movement, but I think the price definitely needs to adjust, and that's why I want to open a trade down here. Let's go. Awesome guys, I'm back in business. As you can see, my balance is getting bigger and bigger each time, and look, indeed this combination of indicators show just awesome and very accurate entry points. In addition, I would like to remind you that Quotex offers a fairly wide list of currency pair with a fairly good payout percentage. So guys, I recommend you guys to use the Quotex platform. Never had any problems with withdrawal, replenishment, or any other issues. So let's continue our trading session, moving onto the first currency pair. So guys, on this currency pair we see a global downtrend, but we can notice that the price is at a good support level, but we can notice that now the price is in spite of the support level at the upper channel line. So I think it will continue its downward movement on the next minute. Let's go. Awesome guys, another profitable trade. And you know, I think I have a really good opportunity to show you a really profitable trading session. And yeah, as you can see, a global downtrend on this currency pair, but I want to point out to you there is a fairly strong support level here, with the price has reached several times and pushed back after it. You can see that the price has now reached this level is exactly why my trade went down here. All thanks to this really profitable strategy and thanks to the combination of these indicators. Bollinger Band and the MACD is my favorite indicator combination. And well, let's move on to the second currency pair, American dollars and Brazilian real. And guys, on this currency pair we see an unpleasant situation, we see a downtrend here. And yeah, I want to catch that upwards movement, that's why $14 trade down, let's go. Well guys, another awesome trade. As you can see, my balance is getting bigger and bigger each time. And yes, if you start trading with such small amounts, for example as 10 or $5, then be prepared that you will not be able to accumulate your balance quickly, and small steps you can reach a big goal. And by the way, I don't recommend anyone to withdraw their first winnings. It is better to reinvest this money because you will be able to earn much more, and in the future you will be able to withdraw a much larger amount than now. Let's continue our training session, see what's going on here. Guys, on this where we see no less epigenetic situation, I would like to note that the price is now at the support level, so I want to catch this move, so $27 trades up, let's go. Holy shit guys, just another regal profit. As you can see, my balance is already at $52, holy shit. And I want to show you another profitable trade, but I think on this currency pair right here. Let's see what's going on here. As we can see, the downtrend movement has continued, but look, you can see by the MACD indicators, you can see the red program, and you know, think this movement is going to continue, so $50 and trading down, let's go. Well guys, another profit. Frankly, this was a pretty risky deal. As you can see, I made my profit in the final minutes. We can notice that the green histogram starts to appear on the MACD indicators. Preface the price will start its reversal and upward movement. And let's move on to the last currency pair and see how the situation has changed here. And we can note that the price is trading flat again, but on MACD we see the crossing of the lines and the red histogram, and so I want to open the trade down. Let's go. Great guys, another point of entry. I want to point out to you that price is at a resistance level here. That's why my trade was down here. The price has reached this level, pushed back and starts its downward movement. Yes, again I will answer you that we see a red histogram on this MACD indicator. That's why my trade was down here. And by the way guys, I already have $175 on my balance. Also, I started trading with only $1. And I want to remind you about my Telegram channel, where you can find a lot of useful information about trading and binary options. All you need to do is just follow the link to the video and join. I also share absolutely free signal there, so don't miss this opportunity. And we continue our trading session, and let's move on to the first currency pair, but we are only seeing 78% payout here. I agree, this is not serious because we need to accelerate the deposit. By the way, To bottom on this thing, I will be able to accelerate my deposit. I plan to run up to at least $5,000. So let's choose a currency pair with a really good payout percentages. Let it be the Euro dollars. Let's add another great currency pair as well. Let it be the American dollars and the Argentine peso. And guys, on this currency pair we can see this we have a flat here. And by the way, I don't recommend anyone to trade it flat. Of course, if you're not a professional trader. But look, at the MACD indicator we can see there's a green histogram appears and the lines starts to cross. And let's test this level. I want to open a rate up $20. Let's go. Well guys, as you can see, I managed to make a profit, but I wasn't very confident about this entry point, so I only invested a fraction of my deposit, and I want to advise you to do the same. Never trade your entire deposit, it is quite risky. You may notice that I trade my entire deposit, but I'm very careful to analyze all entry points, resistance levels, and focus on indicators. But if you are trading just on understanding, then you can easily lose your money. And yes, let's move on to the next currency pair of American dollars and the Argentine peso. And here we can see a global uptrend, but price has started a small correction of the zone. And by the way, look, right now price is near the lower Bollinger Bands line, but the MACD indicators is starting to show a green histogram, and we can see that price is also near the support level. This is why I want to invest my entire deposit here. I'm very confident in my entry points, and the trend is up. Let's go. So guys, as you can see, I made my profits. The traders closing points was not much different from the opening points, but I still managed to make my profit in just a minute. I think if I had opened this trade for 2 minutes or 3 minutes, I would have actually made my profit. That's why I love penny options, and yes, I was able to double my deposit. And with that, let's move on to the first currency pair, American dollars and Brazilian real. And let's see what's going on here. And guys, just look the strong bull moment we've had. And of course, price began its correction. Here we can add the support level. And I want to invest $370 here. And guys. What a bunch of guys, man. Just another profit points. I'm back in the black, and yes, let me just mark the support level. This price has reached, so that everyone understands. You see, this is now a support level, but previously it was a resistance level. We can see that the price has reached here twice already. They reversed, but then that level was broken. That's why my trade was up here. And look at that, $740 in my balance. I plan to make about $5,000, and let's see how soon I can make some money. Let me see what's happening on the second currency pair. And yes, awesome points of entry. On MACD we see a green histogram. There is a support level here, so $700 and then trade up. Let's go. Well, congratulations to the boys. I have my first $1,000 in my balance. A great search sum they receive, and the balance is already very pleasant. Well, I think we should discover just a few more trends and well be at our goal. And let's move on to the third currency pair. No, sorry. Let's move on to the first currency pair. There is a low payout percentages on this currency pair, and we want to accelerate the deposit so fast as possible. Guys, you can notice an awesome situation on this currency pair. I want to point out to you that there is a very good support level here. with the price. By the way, it has not reached yet. Here's a look at how we can see the price has more room to fall. By the way, I had the shoulders pattern has formed here. That's why I want to invest $1,000 here and open a trade down. Let's go. Wow guys, as you can see, this was absolutely the right decision. And yes, as you can see, the price continued its downward movement. We can notice that here price has now pushed of the upper Bollinger Bands line across the middle line and is now continuing its decline. We can also notice a red histogram and the MACD indicator. That was our signal to open the trade down. So what? $2,275 on a balance. But I need more. Let's move on to the next euro-dollar currency pair and see what has changed here. Yes, the price continued to trade flat, but here we see a very interesting situation. I want to invest $1,000 again. No, I'll invest $2,000 here. So I am very confident in these entry points. Trade down. Let's go. So guys, as you can see, it's just an amazing trade. My balance is $4,000. I earned it in 10 minutes. Also, I started trading with $1 charting. I made $4,000 in 10 minutes. That's crazy. I really enjoy doing binary options. It's a good way to work from different parts of the world, which is very important to me. So let's find some more good points, and I'll explain it to you in great detail. Let's move on to this currency pair. Guys, we see a good situation in this currency pair. We can note that the price has reached the support level, but as we can see, there is an uptrend here and many levels have been broken. That's why I want to open trade up here. Let's go. Well guys, as you can see, my balance is $5,975. Some might think it's just crazy. This is a really awesome trading session. I started trading with just $1 and now I have over $5,000 in my account. And by the way, this result can be achieved by any of you if you are just trying your hand at trading binary options. And to make your trading journey easier, I share a lot of useful information here in my Telegram channel, and in addition there you can find trading signals for our trades that's 100% profitable. Don't be afraid, just try your hand at trading and you will always be on the winning side. I wish you a good day, to always be in profit. Bye everybody.